What up everyone, it's KTG612 and we're just riding. I don't really have a theme for this video. I'm kind of just riding to work, but I'm going to take a different route. I left pretty early. It's 8:39. Need to be at work by 9:30. So let's see if we can find something fun to do. Not that riding isn't already fun, but let's try to catch something right on film. It is a great day to be going for a walk, and that's the thing about riding. I think like taking a route in a car versus taking a certain route in a motorcycle, you just get a different experience, you know. I don't have something covering me up. I can just look around. I don't have a cocoon around us, so you kind of catch things that you normally wouldn't catch. Oh, look at these geese. Let's mess with them though. Hey, how's it going, guys? I get a little confused with this spring riding. It's like I didn't put my leathers on, but it's kind of chilly right now, but I know it's gonna get warmer later on, so I'm like, and I don't want to bring both jackets. So right now I feel like I want my leather jacket on, but then later on I know I'll be missing this jacket once I get off work, and it's like 70 degrees. It's like 50-ish right now, but I do have a hoodie underneath just for an extra layer that I can take off when I come back home. You guys like White Castle? Man, that and Taco Bell, that just cleans out your system. I don't know what it is. Them things, man, you eat them things the next morning, you and the toilet are friends. Y'all best buddies. Or maybe not. The toilet probably mad at you. He's dressed warm. Those guys, they seem to always be ready, those touring guys. They're all geared up, ready to travel like long distance. I'm starting to be a little baby because it feels cold. Almost wish I had my leather jacket now, for real, with the hoodie under. Alright, I gotta change my standards. If it's not 60 degrees, I can't ride. Anything under 60. I'm a fair weather rider, baby. No, it's fine. This is fine. I can deal with it. Got some new boots on for my fair weather riding. The Suzuki Podio. This will be breathable. Look at all that mesh. It's the only thing that's bad about it. Our summers is so much construction. It's like the only time they can work, so I get it. For you warmer weather riders, you guys can have your construction done any time of year, so it's not as bad. Blue Cross Blue Shield. That's where I met Jana when we worked there together. That's how I chopped her up. Like, yeah, girl, let me get your number. Oh, baby, I gotta hug my gas tank. I'm cold. I gotta get the 360 camera mounted up behind me, like high behind me this year, for sure. We gotta set it up for you guys, for my loyal subscribers, my family, my people, my brothers, my sisters, me and you, your mama and your cousin too. I'll make a good time. I still got 32 minutes. Let's see if I want to stop by somewhere. Let's see what can catch our eyes. Let's grab something to eat or drink or something, right? Let's start this day off right. I'm being a baby. I'm cold. I'm tucked in. Dairy Queen, man. That sounds good. I don't think they're open though. Chili cheese dog would be amazing right now. That's a hearty breakfast. That's a gassy day though. I'm pretty sure my co-workers don't want me having any chili cheese dog. I mean, that's a gift that keeps sharing right there. Man, I really love these shoes though. When I'm like at a light, the traction, it feels so good. Skateville, is that place open? I mean, not like right now, but I'm just saying. It'd be cool to take the kids skating. But just myself? You know, I wouldn't go skating by myself. I'm surprised I haven't seen more riders. I probably, what, saw 2 or 3? Groceries of the Orient. You know you gotta pick up that sticky rice. It's time to warm up. I'll feel good. Valley Fair, always a good time there. For those of you who don't live here, the green one's the wild thing. Alright, we got 18 minutes to get to work. I don't know if I'm at a good pace or not. I can't see my phone, so we'll make sure that we're on a good pace. Mr. Pig stuff. Actually looks like a legit barbecue place, just judging from the outside. Not even sure, never even been there, but I might have to try it now, because you guys know what I'm talking about. There's a certain look to a good barbecue place. I know it's stereotyping, but you know, in a good way. I like good stereotypes. Like Asians are good at math, which isn't really true, but that's a good stereotype. I don't care. I wish I was good at math. That looks awesome. I love riding over bridges. It just looks amazing. Looks like it's flooded. Yep, starting to see the riders. I don't think I'm going to be able to get something to eat, because I just took such a long route. That's okay. Who needs to eat when you get to ride, right? Oh, whoa, 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 oh no. Oh wow. That was crazy, that was close. Oh, go baby, go baby, go. Bambi's going back home, yay. Oh wow. That thing was scared. I was scared. Oh, I guess that's my video. I didn't think anything interesting was gonna happen, but we almost hit a deer, I guess. Yes, us three right here. He almost hit it, I almost hit him, he almost hit him. I don't know if it was that close, but dang, we almost killed Bambi. Man, that looks amazing down there. That was my ride for the day. I'm almost at work. We're pushing it, we might be late, but I'm gonna stop the recording now. Thanks everyone for watching. You know, subscribe if you haven't. If you enjoyed this video at all, hit that like button. And there's more videos like this to come, so subscribe. Hit that notification bell. I upload all the time. I try to upload as much as possible, but weekly is what I like to do. Check out my other videos. We're growing. You can see the progression. You gotta stay safe out there. Remember, we're blessed. Have a great day. KTG 612 out, baby.
How can I be able to see it?
Subscribe.
Just subscribe.
Subscribe with the A turn.
Please subscribe. I'm ratchet as hell. Don't judge me. My nails off.
Look for me. You about to be on there.
Okay.